Hey guys, welcome back. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to enlarge display on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is click on settings, scroll down a little till you see display and brightness, which is under the control center option. Click on it, then scroll down again till you see display here at the very bottom. So just click on display zoom right there, and you could either pick on one of these two, larger text or default. So if you want to enlarge the display, you need to pick the larger text, and once that's done, you just need to click on done and click on use zoom. And once that's done, your iPhone will restart, and this is what it will look like. So click on done, and you can now go back to your home screen, and as you can see, everything is enlarged and it's like zoomed in. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.